Hey everyone, in today's vlog, we are taking you to two of the most beautiful and unpredictable hiking spots in Sri Lanka, Pitawala Pathana and Riverston, both located near Rattota and in the Matale district. This is the parking area of Pitawala Pathana. It's just a few kilometers from Riverston and it's very easy to access. As soon as we arrived, we had to buy our tickets and rush a bit because it was already getting closer to the closing time. The weather was playing tricks on us all day. It had been raining on and off all day, so we brought our raincoats but didn't wear them right away. A very big mistake. Just as we started to hike, it suddenly poured. Just after this shot was recorded, it started raining and we didn't even have enough time to pull out our raincoats from our bags. It was so bad. It was a heavy rain and not just a drizzle of rain. And some say that this is the magic of Pitawala Pathana, where sometimes it's dry and the next you are inside a cloud of rain. It was a very nice view while we were walking. As you can see, it had started raining at this time and the entire trail was muddy. But good thing there weren't leeches. We were informed that there were leeches, but we didn't have any of the leeches get onto us. Maybe because we took the trail, I'm not very sure, but we didn't encounter any leeches at Pitawala Pathana. It was cold at this point because it had started raining and the mist was coming in, so we were feeling a little chilly at this time. As you can see the multicolored raincoats of the people in front of me. This hike is not difficult at all, and within a few minutes you can get to the viewpoint. So this is actually the viewpoint. So from here it has a really great view, but unfortunately for us, we were in a cloud of mist and we didn't have the view. So if it was on a clear day, this is a view you could see, but obviously we didn't see any of that. Even though it rained and there was mist on the way back and all of that, and we didn't have a good clear viewpoint to take our pictures, it was still very magical and surreal to have this experience in the rain and in the mist and the chilly weather. It was really nice. As you can see, the mist started just rolling in at this time. This was on our way back after the hike, and it started rolling in. So we ended the hike and then we started our journey to Riverston because it was only a few kilometers away from Pitawala Pathana. So within a few minutes we could drive to Riverston, and this was our drive from Pitawala Pathana to Riverston. And it was very misty at this time, and it was also evening, so the sun was coming down, so all of that affected the whole misty situation that's going on. Riverston is actually a little bit tougher than Pitawala Pathana, but obviously any beginner can do both these hikes without any issue at all. If you're planning a trip to Riverston, we'd actually recommend going in the evening because mornings and afternoons are usually crowded. But when we went, we had the entire trip practically to ourselves. We were told that there are leeches in Riverston, so some of our friends actually got leech socks. You can order this from Daras, and we actually got them within a couple of days. It was really effective, but the thing is we didn't have encounter any leeches, so I can't really tell you how effective that was, but it was told that it's effective and they wouldn't get into your shoes or your socks or anything of that sort. At this time the sun was coming down, but we were still hiking and the mist was still rolling in, so we couldn't see any of the view while we were on our trail in Riverston. We tried to get the maximum out of this experience even though there was no view. We actually found a hen who was running before us. The mist was rolling in and we couldn't see any view. I'm pretty sure that the view was great from this spot, especially because we were so high up there, and this particular place, every other place was so windy, but this was like a blind spot for the wind where the wind was not really coming in, and I'm pretty sure there was a good view, but it was like we were inside a cloud here. It was very misty. The mist was very heavy at this time, and also the wind was catching up and it was very windy. These are all, I'm sure, are great views, but all we could see was just white mist, as if we were inside a cloud, literally. So this was the last point of Riverston. We weren't sure whether we could go ahead from this, so we stopped at this point, and obviously we tried to record what we can see, but we couldn't see any view. But we were high up there, so I'm pretty sure if you go on a clear day, you would have a great view from this place. As it got darker, the forest came alive with a chorus of insects. Crickets? Mystery jungle bugs? We'll never know. Even though we didn't get the postcard views, the overall experience was amazing. Sometimes the mist and rain make the memories even more special.